Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be setting up my March bullet journal spread. So of course let's just go ahead and dive on in. I'm starting with my Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip pen. This is pretty much the pen I use for like the whole spread. For my theme this month, I chose to just do like a field of clovers. I decided that I wanted to kind of incorporate the fact that it was St. Patty's Day, but I didn't want it to be like in your face, like super cheesy St. Patty's Day. And I am Irish, so of course I needed to like still kind of go along with the theme. So I just chose to do like some artistic like 3-leaf clovers. And then on the other page is of course my tracking page, so I just am drawing in my habits, and I also included another migraine tracker because I was super grateful for that last month and knew that I wanted to incorporate it again this month. It really puts into perspective how many migraines I face within the month, so I knew that I wanted it again this month. For color, I knew that I wanted a little bit of color, so of course I'm using green, but I didn't want it to be too in your face, so I just used this Crayola Super Tips green marker and put it in the blocky part of my lettering that I chose to use this month. I felt like it helped to add a little bit of color without being too in your face as it might have with coloring in literally all of the clovers. And this next page is my monthly overview. Of course, like I said, it's the same that it has been. I think this is just the most visually appealing for me. I can just easily see my month laid out in front of me this way. So for the decorations, again, I'm doing clovers, but I actually drew them like they were coming around and like behind the month, as you can see here. And then of course coloring in the blocks again. And then for my quote this month, I decided to do "Here Comes the Sun," because if you are from the Midwest like me and you are tired of snow, we are so close, guys. Spring is almost here. It's coming. And then this next page is something new. I am going to be doing the Oodles of Doodles challenge, and this month's theme is Disney themed, and I'm super excited for that. So to incorporate that onto the page to know like what I needed to draw for which day, I took these color page insert things that I had gotten with another adult coloring book, and I just taped the challenge onto the back of it and used it as like a little extra door, like an extra page, so that it could be there when I needed it and it didn't take up any room on the page itself. Again, the next page is something new. This is going to be my book tracker. I am aiming for 30 books within this year, so next bullet journal I'll of course have to put this toward the front because it's kind of randomly put in here, but it's something I just decided to do. So when I read a book, I will write the title of the book on the spine of one of the books that is drawn. Books, books, books. Yeah. Next page is just my weekly layout for the first week. Of course there are only 4 days, so I just put it on one page and then accented it with some green. And this is just me going back and writing in the things that I needed to write down for my month. And that is everything. So here's a little flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys had an amazing February, and wish an amazing March to you guys. If you have not subscribed already, please make sure you do down below. I'll see you guys all in my next video, and in the meantime, you know what to do. Make sure to spread some positivity.